Shanghai LONGJOIN Intelligent Technology Incorporated was founded in 2003, focusing on the design, research and development, sales of integrated light control processing technology products suitable for street lamps, courtyard lights, corridor lights, door lights, and other lighting accessories. Besides, screw bulb sensor sockets and direct wire-in photo eyes are available for residential lighting applications. The headquarters is located in Shanghai. The factory is located at Haiyan County of Zhejiang Province. The factory plant area is more than 38,000 square meters. The company has more than 250 employees, including 3 senior engineers and 12 engineers. Most of the light switch controller products have been exported, with annual sales of about 8.5 million pieces. LONGJOIN has UL, JAGA, CE, ROS environmental certification. Overseas markets are in the Americas and will gradually move into Europe. LONGJOIN mainly provides photoelectric sensors with NEMA interface and JAGA regulations. Those are intended for street, area lighting purpose to control the lamp fixtures on, dim, off in accordance with ambient lighting level as well as motion detected, including high IP rating receptacles used for fixture assembling. All control nodes were designed based on light sensing feature, although smart IoT nodes can be remote controlled with those advanced lighting management system. LONGJOIN also developed a smart IoT lighting management system UM9000 based on browser, server structure and app software to provide convenient IoT installation, management, maintenance features with ZigBee, LTE, NB-IoT protocols built-in photo control devices.
Shanghai LONGJOIN is the listed company specialized in manufacturing photocells for street lighting for 20 years. When our products are granted the certification of UL and CE exported to American and European markets steadily. True, our current annual sales is about 8.5 million. 3 every year, we usually accept third-party inspection from our major customers. 4, we have rich international sales experience, mainly in Alibaba platform for 13 years. 5, 24 hours online service team to support our customers with any product problems and technical issues. 6, systematic attendance of foreign exhibitions to promote our LONGJOIN brand and marketing development. Now, warm welcome you from over the world to visit our company, and thanks for your trusting our Photocell.